It's a nice morning. Ang lamig. It's a good day to ride. Look at that fog. Can you see that? This is gonna be nice. All right, let's go. Alright, I hope this is recording. We're doing Sampaloc today. If you recognize this, yan, pababa na yan. Tagaytay Rotonda, Talisay. On the fence pa this morning kung Sungay ba or Sampaloc. But Sampaloc it is. Mas mahaba, masulit for me. Alright, weapon of choice. Topstone. Climbing gear obviously. Very thick tires for comfort, of course. At unang sabak ni Topstone sa Sampaloc. Let's see how it performs. Let's start our descent. Mag-film na lang ulit tayo pagpaakyat na. See you guys later. Somebody better do some cleaning here. Kalahati na ng road yung occupied ng mga lupa, dahon. So nice. Lamig lang. It's 6:30 in the morning. After 2 weeks of rain. More than 2 weeks yun. 3 weeks actually. After 3 weeks, nagbabike na tayo ulit. This is a proper revenge ride, man. Sampaloc agad. Runnerists. Let's take a second here to appreciate the beauty. You know, the volcano. See the boats and yung mga fishing contraptions. Panira lang tong power line yung power line post. But I hope you're getting this. Lapitan konti. So nice. Very meditative din yung pababa. Diba? On regular speed, makukuha mo yung from the Rotonda down to Laurel ng 30 minutes. And if you ride this early, napaka-peaceful. Okay, let's go. We love you, DPWH. And here we are at Laurel. Sa baba ito, and we're starting our climb. Here goes nothing. And I'll tell you what, naghanap ako ng food dito sa baba. Wala akong nahanap. So, we're climbing on an empty stomach. Sana hindi ako mag-bonk. I just decided to go. Sige na. Isip ko, marami naman akong kinain last night. Although mga 8 yun eh, 8 or 9. Sunog na yun, but you know, carbs yun, pansit. Let's see how this goes. We are climbing, guys. Nagawa pang tumakbo dito, no? Lakas. Yung runner na kasabay natin halos kanina, yun ang una, he already turned. And ang haba na inakyat niya, 2.5 kilometers. So bumalik na siya. Sabi ko sa niya, lakas mo bro. Tawa siya eh. Buti na lang umalis na rin. Nakakahiyang sumabay sa kanya paakyat. Daanan ako ng EV, that one. Ang tahimik. Magugulat ka na lang nandito na. Narinig mo na lang yung rubber on the road pag malapit na. So, minsan importanteng may, pardon me as I catch my breath, importante din may radar ka eh. Something good to have. Hindi naman necessity, no? Kung sanay ka naman. Kung marunong ka mag-shoulder check, kung matalas pandinig mo, it's alright. But the radar, yung rear radar, extra protection yan eh. And I have that. Layo pa. Pero malayo na. Let's go. May mga on foot na naman. Ang dami today ah.
Tagaytay pangalan ka, iniwanan mo na ako.
No chasing dogs, please. Pababa tayo bigla. And here in the ascent, mayroong part na pababa. Konti lang siya, but take advantage of it. If you're chasing a PR, bilisan mo na dito. Libre eh. And just like that, wala nang pababa. So we're using a little bit of momentum from that descent to take us up this curve. Ayun, wala na. Leg power na lahat ito. Ayoko na. This is the home stretch. That's it. I don't think ma-PPR ko to. Parang lalampas tayo ng mga 2 minutes sa PR. Let's see. I see the rotonda. Diba? Lampas natin ng konti just to be sure na complete yung segment. Man, oh geez. That was a great ride. Naisingit ko lang, family staycation lang to. But I wouldn't miss the opportunity to do a Sampaloc or a Sungay ride kung nandito ka na rin lang. I wanna ask you a question. Nakapag-Sampaloc na ba kayo? Para sa mga hindi pa, I tell you, it's gonna change your life, man. I'm not kidding. Diba? Ma-complete mo yung climb, you're in the conversation already sa mga nakaakyat na ng Sampaloc. To me, Sampaloc is still one of the best, most beautiful, most sulit climbs in the country. Sampaloc pa rin sa Tagaytay. Nasa top yan, always. Yung akyat mo has joy, it has pain. No, yun ang mga magagandang ride eh, yung mga halo-halo ang nararamdaman eh. And there's always respect na ibibigay mo sa climb. And needless to say, yung descent napakaganda. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, meditative yung downhill ng Sampaloc. Just so peaceful. Effortless yung you're just gliding, di ba? But ingat pa din. The moment you become careless, delikado of course. And we're back at the hotel. I'm looking forward to my coffee and my buffet breakfast.
Morning, sir.
Ayos, that felt good. Ride done.